So hello everyone. I hope you're doing great today. I just wanted to share a quick update. Usually when you try to prompt the AI in order to scrape the LinkedIn, it will return something like, sorry, I was unable to retrieve this data, or you should be logged in, or etc., because it has really good anti-scraping policies, protection, and what's not. Also, when you're using a clay, you can retrieve the LinkedIn data of the prospects or of some companies. Now, that being said, the cost of this data, it really can vary depending on the actual plan that you're using. So, for example, if you were to, I'm just open the calculator later. So, yeah, if you were to, for example, to use a starter plan, which is, yeah, this one, and you get like 2,000 credits per month. So the price per credit will be 7 cents, right? So you will spend 7 cents in order to retrieve the data about prospect or about the company. This thing do get a little bit better if you go to the Explorer plan, which is 350. You get 10,000 credits. Yeah, which is best plan if you ask me for the clay. And the things here get a bit better. So it's like 3 cents per search. Now, as I said, there's so much restrictions when it comes to link scraping and whatnot. But if you use a little bit of logic and like just being more human when prompting, and you are avoiding certain keywords, you will be able, also the formatting is very important and the output is very important, you will be actually able to return this data. So right now here, I use GPT-4o Mini to scrape the personal LinkedIn profile. And I did get all of this data. So here's professional summary, so education, career history. So for each of this, like the company name and the title, when they started, digital, blah, 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 even. So let me move myself here. Current position or leadership experience, and additional kind of information if they're available, of course. So which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We do have even this, like, what are the steps that they're taken, what are the candidate name, and again, pretty nifty stuff. Again, depending on the people you're looking to target. So even these cool things that you, for example, can use for personalization or the relevance check. So for example, we can see that there's publication and contributions, like he's a co-author of the Well-Tech book. It's great. And all of this actually costed us 0.003. That being said, this is like 10 or 100 times cheaper. And also like using this data that we return about like current company, I also built another scraper, which actually gives us back the more details about the current company of the prospects. So this can be used instead of like, again, spending the credits on company enrichment data, which again can cost from 1 to few credits depending on the data provider here inside of the clay. But if you just think about the structure and what you want to return actually, the type of the data you want to return, you can like basically copy out the data that you're getting from other data providers. So you just use logical structure. So I want, for example, here I want to get industry, I want to get the leadership, I want to get the company size, founding date, headquarters, etc., etc. Even the product and services, like what they do, their like keywords, awards, recognition. Like here, I even asked to get like ideal customer profile. So we know who they are targeting. And they're even the competitive positioning, unique selling points. So all of this we can again get from the scraping for 0.004 cents. Like it's dirt cheap. build this ideal customer profile here. Targeted markets, so industries, company size that they're like targeting. Like this is just like beautiful. And then when you want, you can extract all of this data, then build or refine like prospects in the company's accounts that you want to actually target, pull this data to or outside of the play or push it to some LinkedIn campaigns. Like it really gives you a lot of possibilities. So yeah, if you're like interested and you like what you see, I urge you to actually try to prompt and to play around with it, because indeed it's really possible to build these things and to make them like dirty cheap. So yeah, I will actually be nice, and you can actually probably copy now all of this if you want to like pause the video or something like that. So yeah, I really hope you will find this valuable and find ways to use it or to even improve it more, because to be honest, I did see this from someone and I just decided, okay, he has a point. If he was able to do it, I can do it myself. It did take me the whole afternoon, to be honest, to build this prompt and even this JSON scheme output, but it was totally worth it. So yeah, I really hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn something. And yeah, cheers. Thank you so much for watching this.